Hello and welcome to another Finder unboxing. In today's video, I'll be peeling back the packaging of my brand new GoHenry Kids payment card. Yes, I'm a 30-year-old woman, but for the sake of taking you guys behind the scenes, I am now also the mother of a 10-year-old daughter named Kirsty, who's going to learn so much about managing her money with her brand new GoHenry card. Let's take a look. GoHenry is a prepaid card and app for kids aged 6 to 18. It works by having linked parent and child accounts. You can top up your kids' balance, monitor their spending with real-time notifications, and set parental controls from your app. And your child can check their balance, earn rewards, and learn about good money management from their app. Plus, they can use their prepaid Visa card to spend their pocket money online, in-store, and for ATM withdrawals within the safety limits that you've set. Some of the coolest GoHenry features include its rewards feature, where you can set chores and tasks for your child to complete in order for them to earn their pocket money, the 45+ designs that your child can choose from to customize their card, and the ability to add a co-parent to your account, as well as have relatives and friends pay directly into your kids' account with the help of gift links. So the whole inner and extended family can be involved. A little while ago, I was lucky enough to chat with Louise Hill, the co-founder and COO of GoHenry. Check out the full video interview tag in the description below. Who told me about my now favourite feature, GoHenry's charitable donations tool in partnership with the NSPCC that teaches kids about the gift of giving. It melted my heart to hear that since the start of the pandemic, kids using GoHenry have donated upwards of £200,000 to the NSPCC. So before I get too soppy, let's take a look inside the envelope. Since I ordered my card before Christmas, it came in this rather festive packaging. Inside the envelope, it details the 3 steps you need to take to activate your card, including downloading the app, getting your parent or guardian to activate your card, and signing the back. If you snap the card off the packaging here, there's a little section about sharing your card on social media with a little hashtag, obviously making sure none of your personal details are visible. For this video, we went for the classic red GoHenry card design, but remember, your child can also customise their card with a picture, pattern or colour that makes their card extra special for them. Read our full GoHenry review on finder.com by clicking this link here. Plus, I've tagged a load of other useful links in the description below, including my chat with Louise Hill. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and be sure to hit that bell button to be the first to know when a new video drops. Thanks for watching.